Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on how to load a report from Bold Reports report server in a UWP application. Before getting into the procedure, let's take a look at the Bold Report Server. Bold Report Server is a report management studio provided by Syncfusion that allows users to create, manage, and share reports securely and easily. Our report server provides a built-in REST API that helps you display the server's reports. In this video, I will show you the steps to create a UWP application, and the steps to load an already published RDL report from our report server. First, let's see how to generate the personal access token from the report server. To generate the personal access token, first you need to log in to Bold Reports report server. You will see the list of reports that are published to the report server. To generate the access token, I click the user icon in the left navigation bar. Then I click the user profile. We will be redirected to the My Profile page. I click Personal Access Token in the top panel. In the Personal Access Token page, I click the Generate Token button. A confirmation dialog is displayed to generate the personal access token. Click Yes. We will see the bearer token is displayed in the Authentication Token text box. Click the Click to Copy button to copy the generated access token. Now, let's see how to create the UWP application. Open Visual Studio 2019. And click Create a New Project. Change Web to Desktop in the Platform filter. Select Blank App Universal Windows from the listed templates. And click Next. I named my application UWP Report Server. Click the Create button. The new Universal Windows Platform Project dialog will be displayed. Make sure that both the target and minimum version fields are selected as Windows 10 version 1803 10.0. Build 17134. And then click OK. The UWP desktop application is created. Now, let's install the NuGet package. In the Solution Explorer tab, right-click the project. And choose Manage NuGet Packages. In the Browse tab, search for the Bold Reports.uwp package and install it in the UWP application. The Bold Reports.uwp package contains the UWP-report-viewer control to preview and export the report. Now, let's initialize the report viewer control in the UWP application. Open the main page.xaml file. I import the Bold Reports.ui.xaml namespace in the page tag. Then I initialize the report viewer component in the grid tag. Now, let's initialize the necessary variables to load the report from the report server in the UWP application. I open the main page.xaml.cs file. Initialize the main page loaded event in the main page constructor. Initialize the main page loaded function in the main page class. To render the report, set the report service URL, report server URL, service authorization token, and report path properties to the main page loaded event. Inside the main page loaded event, I enter the value for report service URL. The report service URL specifies the Web API service URL. The service URL contains the server name, service name, and REST API name. The format of the report service URL is http:// report server name / reporting / report service / API / viewer. In this demo, I have hosted the report server on my local machine. So I have specified the report server name as localhost, along with the port number I'm hosting it in. You can use your own report server name. Reporting/report service represents the service name of the report server. API/viewer represents the web API name of the report server. Then I enter the value for the report server URL inside the main page loaded event. The report server URL specifies the server name and site information. The format of the report server URL is http://report server name / reporting / API / site name. In this demo, I have set the report server name as localhost along with the port number in which it is hosted. You can use your own report server name. Site/site1 represents the site from which we are going to load the report in the report viewer control. Since I have kept my report in Site1, I specified site/site1. You can specify your own site's name. Then I enter the service authorization token inside the main page loaded event. Service authorization token specifies the authorization token sent by the report server. Then I assign the value for report path inside the main page loaded event. The report path specifies the path in which the RDL report file is published in the report server. Here I am using the sales order detail RDL report from the server location. This report is published in the sample reports category. The refresh report method is invoked to render the report. Save the file. Now let's add the online license token to remove the license validation error message while running the UWP application. Open the app.xaml.cs file. Inside the constructor, register the online license token inside the register license method. I have provided the video link for how to generate the online license token from the Bold Reports website and how to register it in the UWP application for your convenience. Now, everything is ready to preview the embedded report. To preview the report, build and run the application. You can see the sales order report is loaded in the Bold Report Viewer. Let's briefly cover the steps for loading the report from the cloud report server. The steps that need to be followed are the same, but the report service URL and the report server URL will differ based on your cloud server configuration. I have shared our cloud reporting sample report service URL and report server URL in the presentation. Since the service for cloud reporting is hosted separately, reporting/report service is not set in the report service URL. And since multi-tenancy is not supported in the cloud reporting server, the site information is not required in the report server URL. You also need to generate the service authorization token from the cloud report server and add it in the application. And the path of the report we want to render in the report viewer. In this video, we learned how to load the report from the Bold Reports report server in a UWP application using the report viewer control. Stay tuned to this channel for our upcoming videos on Bold Reports. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.